Because of the 14th Amendment Due Process Clause, every state defendant in a criminal case has the right to a fair trial. Naturally, part of a fair trial is a fair and impartial judge. The nation's highest court considered whether due process demanded the recusal of a former prosecutor-turned-judge in the capital case of Williams v. Pennsylvania. In the 1980s, Philadelphia District Attorney Ronald Castille personally authorized his office to pursue the death penalty against Terrance Williams, who was accused of murder as a teenager. Williams was ultimately convicted and sentenced to death. His direct appeal was unsuccessful, and so were his first several requests for state post-conviction relief and federal habeas relief. Then, in 2012, new information about alleged prosecutorial misconduct during his trial came to light, and Williams filed yet another petition for state post-conviction relief. This time, his request was successful. After an evidentiary hearing, the Philadelphia Court of Common Pleas postponed Williams's execution and granted him a new sentencing hearing. The Commonwealth of Pennsylvania appealed to the Pennsylvania Supreme Court. Lo and behold, the sitting Chief Justice was none other than former District Attorney Castille. Williams filed a motion asking Castille to recuse himself, but Castille refused and ultimately joined the majority opinion reinstating Williams's death sentence on the ground that his petition was time-barred. 2 weeks later, Castille retired from the bench. Williams appealed to the United States Supreme Court, which granted cert.